World. Hello world, it's Call Me Dahlia, and thank you for tuning in for another video of mine. So for today's video, I thought we'd play with some pinks and some golds, maybe do a half cut crease, something along the lines of that. But yeah, my kids are up. They're being extremely loud because they're kids, they're playing. So we're gonna go ahead and kick this off into a voiceover and keep on watching. Okay, so I just used my MAC Soft Orchid Pink Pot, and I use that to prime my eyelids. I'm going to take Makeup Revolution's Banana Powder, and I'm going to set that primer down. And by setting this, it's going to help the eyeshadows blend better. Next, because my lips are dusty and crusty, I'm going to apply some lip balm just to help them bring some moisture back. For eyeshadow, I'm going to take my 39AB palette, and I'm going to take Pillow. And this is going in as my transition shade. We're going to use circular motions as well as windshield wipers. Okay, so someone called me, how rude, but we're going to continue on with Pillow. As you can see, I started kind of doing my other eye, and I'm just blending it out. So we're going to take Bikini. We'll go with Bikini. We're going to take this very bright pink color right here, and we're going to layer this on top of Pillow. So I'm just going to keep grabbing Bikini, and I'm going to keep layering it to build up the color to my liking. And it's okay if you're a little bit messy with the pinks, because we're going to go in and cut the crease with concealer, so it's okay that you get the pink on your lid. Now I'm just going to put that same Bikini color on my outer V, or outer corner of my eye. Oh, and because I'm horrible, I'm using a Sigma tapered blending brush, number E40. And I'm going to go back in with Pillow, and I'm just going to kind of soften up the edges a bit. Next, I'm going to take Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm going to cut the crease. I have a little bit of, I wouldn't say hooded eyes, but I do have a little bit of a foldage. So I like to put a little bit of the concealer on my lid, and then I look up, and whatever transfers up, that is where I cut the lid. And then I'm just taking a Wet n Wild concealer brush, and I'm going to do a half cut crease. I'm going to wipe off any excess concealer off the brush, and then I'm going to use that to soften out the edges. I'm going to take Juvias Place Nubian 2, and I'm going to take the shade Nairobi, and I'm going to use this as my lid shade. And I'm going to take the Sigma shader lid in E56. I'm going to go back in with Bikini, and I'm going to intensify that outer corner just to make it pop more. And also kind of like tap it on that gold. And I'm just going to kind of go in with that shader brush and just push it into the pink, but it's not so harsh. Okay, so I'm back with my base done. I used Becca's First Light primer, and then I went in with MAC Studio Fix Fluid Foundation in the shade NC37. I set it with that Makeup Revolution banana powder, and now I'm going to take the Balm's Bahama Mama bronzer, and I'm just going to bring some color back to my face. Then for the blush, I'm going to take Tarte's Amazonian, what's this, right? The Amazonian Clay. It's in Captivating. And the way I like to do my blush is I smile and I apply it to the apples of my cheeks, and then I take it back. So for my highlighter, I'm going to take the Stila Heaven Hues highlighter in Kitten, and I'm going to apply this to my cheekbones, my nose, and my Cupid's bow. And I'm going to use a M501. Yeah. So going back to my eyes, I'm going to take a NARS black eye pencil, and I'm going to tightline and waterline. But I'm going to go back to my face because I forgot. I'm going to apply some Max Fix Plus so that it can melt all the powders together. I am going to apply my lashes off of camera I'm going to apply my lashes off of camera, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back and I did my lashes. They're the Kiss lashes in the style Corset. These are like my favorite lashes at the moment. So I'm going to take a Morphe E18, and I'm going to take that shade Bikini, and I'm going to buff this into my lower lash line. I forgot to set my liner. I have really watery waterline, so I haven't found, I got shadow on my contact. I haven't found any liners that last in my waterline, so I usually just go over the liner with shadow. And I just use a Wet n Wild angled brush. I'm going to go back into the Nubian 2 by Juvias Place, and I'm going to take that shade Nairobi, that gold shade, on just a brush. I think I'm going to use this shader brush, and I'm going to apply that to the inner third of my lower lash line. I'm liking that. I'm going to go in with a little bit more of Bikini, which is that pink shade from the 39A, no, from the 35B palette. And we'll just, right there. And then for my lower lashes, I'm going to take Rimmel's Lash Accelerator. We'll just use Zuri, and I'm just taking a pointy brush. I think this one's from Mary Kay. And I hope I don't regret this shade. I'm just going to pop that right here. And then I'm going to use this underneath my brow bone right here. Right? Alright, we finally made it to our lips. I am going to take the NYX lip liner in the shade Pinky Rose. And then I'm filling them in after I line them. Then I'm going to take the shade Don't Blink Pink from Wet n Wild. It's one of their lipsticks. Because I like a glossy lip, I'm going to take Essence, just a clear lip gloss. Oh, and how could I forget, I need the brow gel, and this is from NYX. It's the Control Freak, and I'm just gonna use this. And I usually wait to do this last because I feel like it kind of just helps wipe away any powders that you might, or foundation that you might have gotten on it. Okay, so this completes the look. I hope you enjoyed the video. I didn't do my hair because I'm literally not going to go anywhere. I'm just going to take the makeup off, so I just left it in a bun. But since you made it this far, you might as well subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can get notified the next time I upload a video. I don't think I have anything else to tell you except don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys! I don't have any of my stuff. The Tarte shape tape.